This is Activity 7.3 on page 104, annotating a presentation. We have My Revised Develotech New Products Internal Release open. All of Develotech's department heads and several VPs have reviewed your presentation. You have incorporated all feedback and feel the presentation is nearly finished. However, you need to do one final review with your supervisor. As you talk, you use PowerPoint's annotation tools to point out specific areas of concern. We're going to navigate over to slide number 4, which is the New Visions Now slide. And we're going to start the slideshow from the current slide. I'm going to go up to Slideshow, Start Slideshow Command Group from Current Slide. Number 2, use the pen tool to ask your boss about including the slide title. We're going to right-click on the screen, and from our secondary menu, we're going to select Pointer Options. And we're going to scroll down and select Pen from the secondary menu. And we want to draw a circle around the title, New Visions Now. Ooh, my pen is not working. Not sure why my pen's not working. I don't know if it has to do with my trackpad here. Let me try to go back. Oh, it just wasn't showing up on the screen. You can see there's a few multiple circles there. Let's try that again. Let's erase all that. There we go. Okay, so one single circle around New Visions Now, because he says he thinks that the entire slide is unnecessary. Now, number 3, use the highlighter to ask your boss when the press release will go out to the media outlets. We're going to advance to slide number 9, titled Start Talking Them Up. So you can just click through. And here we have Start Talking Them Up. And we're going to, again, right-click on our slide. And this time from our pointer options, we're going to choose Highlighter. And then we're going to right-click again, Pointer Options, and we're going to choose our ink color. And you can choose anything you want. I'll go with light blue. And we want to drag to highlight the phrase this Thursday. So you can just click and drag across that to highlight it, because your boss says it will actually be on Wednesday. Right, we're going to exit the slideshow and delete all the annotations. We're going to press Escape. The first escape is going to deactivate your highlighter. You can see my cursor changed back to my pointer. And then when I hit Escape again, it's going to ask me, do you want to keep your ink annotations? And you can discard these. We do not want to keep these on our slides. Okay, it brings us back to our main PowerPoint editing mode, and we can go up to our quick access toolbar and save our updates. And we can also close out of this particular presentation. File and close, and we will leave PowerPoint open for our next activity.